So I've only made it about 25 kilometres. It's so hectic we just had to stop, It's been really heavy traffic. It's taken us like over an hour to do 25 kilometres, well over an hour. So we've got another 8 kilometres to go. We turn off into the rice paddies, head straight up towards, I don't know, maybe it goes up towards Bedugul. Okay, we've turned off the Gillimanuk Highway. I don't know the name of the road, but we're just heading up now towards into the mountains. Alright, so we're about 10 kilometres off the Gillimanuk Highway. It's just so nice up here, Just coconut trees, rice paddies everywhere. Up ahead you can see the big mountains, probably the mountains around Bedugul. Wow, look at that. Right, so I've got no idea where we are, but Yuli spotted some place and apparently she recognised it. And we're going to go in and check it out. Apparently it's like a farm and gardens and you pick your own veggies and food what you want to eat and they cook it for you, so I don't know. So we're right up high, we're nearly right on the top of the mountain near Bedugul, so there's a lot of people in here, tourists. Can you see anything from over there? Any view? Alright, check out that for a view. Wow, look at the gully down there, it goes down about 200 metres. So, I suppose these big mountains over the top, just behind them are the Bedugul lakes. So, anyway, we'll stop here, have a coffee and then move on. Right, so this place is called Umasari Warung, I suppose, or retreat or something. As soon as you sit down, they give you a little pot of like ginger tea, lemon and ginger tea. It's warm. It's really good. It's something like you'd have when you had a cold or a sore throat or something. It's very nice, refreshing actually. And a little bowl of crookbook and stuff. So we're just getting a few snacks and then we're going to move on to Bedugul, check out the lakes. So they've got some rabbits here. The name for a rabbit in Indonesian is kelinci. Got two, they're in cages. There's a bag of basket of kangkung if you want to feed the rabbits. Okay, so here's his little veggie patches and that. And it looks like they're just starting. Oh, there's more tomatoes and things down the back there behind this little cabin. But you can actually come and pick your spinach and your stuff like that, what you want to eat, and use that in your cooking. So it looks like the garden's just a strip that runs right down through there.
Ini nasi ayam kecapnya, sama bayam goreng ya. Ya, itu aja ya orderannya ya.
Itu aja, ada sendok ya.
Alright, so this is bayam goreng. It's just got like batter on it. It's like spinach leaf, you know, just with batter on it. It's crunchy. Makes the spinach like just like a chip. And tempeh. Wow, look how much tempeh you got. And nearly go. What do you get?
Ketchup.
Ham ketchup, just chicken with sweet soy, spinach chips. So like bayam is like a spinach and it's growing wild everywhere all over Bali. It's on the sides of the roads, it's everywhere. Bayam. Umasari Gardens, yeah. It's very nice, something different, nice and cool up here in the mountains. It was only 105,000, which is very cheap. And now we're going to move on to Bedugul. Alright, so this is like a strawberry farm. Check out the view from here. There's that old abandoned resort down there, the Ghost Resort. So you? That's the one they reckon's haunted. Anyway, we're going to move on. So this is the first lake, Baratan Lake. And we just found a little alleyway. Everywhere else it's a bit hard to stop. And there's a lot of traffic, so we just found this little laneway and parked in here. And yeah, it looks like they've got all little boats here for rent, I suppose. Rental boats or tour boats that take you around the lake. But it's not real big, this lake. I think we'll move on to the next lake, which I think is the bigger one. Alright, we just stopped here overlooking the lake. And just check that out. There's a heap of monkeys here, check them all out. This is the second lake, the bigger lake. You can see all the produce and stuff like that down here. They grow all the vegetables and stuff like that. So it's more or less just greenhouses, the whole side of the lake all around there. I suppose they use the fresh water from the lake to grow it. And it's a lot cooler in temperature up here, so what a beautiful spot. Heaps of monkeys around. Heaps and heaps. So he's gone yearly into buying some fruit to feed the monkeys with. Yearly's going to have a go at feeding the monkeys. Oh, the boys. Got to watch out for the boys. Awas kacamata kamu. Kembali itu. Alright.
Kalau di luar tuh.
Okay. Ya, luar tuh begitu ya. Yeah. Oh, so the monyet cucu di sini ya.
I don't want banana. I just want the bread. I give
What's the bread?
I give banana. You just. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Adik kamu?
Ini saudaramu. Yeah, mau.
Ooh, big mama, that one. There's heaps of them down in they're coming up from the mountain down there, so.
Yang kecil bilang belum udah diam dulu diam.
Ooh, yeah, the big boss.
Oh, marah dia.
Yeah, because he's the big papa. He's the daddy one.
Kamu masih ada di tangannya juga Ira. Ini aja ah. Buyang Lek, Danau Tamblingan, and Danau Beratan.
Oh.
Tapi ke bawah itu.
This is Buyang Lake, the next one. What is it? Tamblingan. It's a beautiful lake. Just check out the traffic up here now. There's just literally bumper to bumper. It's been going for about 10 minutes. We're waiting for a break in the traffic up the mountain here so we can get going. And this is from the other end of the lake. Before where the monkeys were, right up the other end of the lake over there. There's heaps of traffic, so we'll just stop here for a while, let it calm down, then we're going to head through to the coast. So this is the second lake, and this is the third lake here, Danau Tamblingan. But not far up the road, we're going to turn off and we're going to head over towards the coast, towards Singaraja Lovina way. We're basically in the clouds right now. You see them crossing the road here even. Right, so we're coming down very quickly down this mountain, very steep, and the road's really bad, eh? But hopefully when we get down out of the clouds, it'll warm up a bit. It's absolutely freezing, freezing. I don't know where we are, and I wouldn't know the name of the village. All right, you can feel it getting a bit warmer now. We're just breaking out of the fog, and instantly it's a bit warmer. There's the ocean, so we're not that far away. A few kilometres probably. 5 coast, we made it. Still steep. It's more or less downhill all the way from Bedugul, just full on steep downhill.
In 200 metres, turn left.
Alright, so we're stopped at the same place we did when we hit the coast last time. And we come out this little tiny road that we actually went up last time looking for petrol right up the mountain. And yeah, that was the windiest little road. I doubt if too many people, tourists, go down that way. We come from Bedugul to cut through. Wow, so it is hot down here now. It was absolutely freezing up in the mountain there. It's probably about 10 degrees Celsius or something. It was freezing. It was actually, I don't know whether it was the fog. It was like wet, like rain. But anyway, we're down the bottom again. So these guys are racing their little toy jukungs. This is a jukung, like an outrigger, a real one. These guys, they go pretty quick too. And just got like a plastic sail made out of garbage bags or something. One's stuck, the other two are going. They're pretty quick. It looks like the little one out the back still going, it's going out deeper. So we've looked at two places that were absolutely crap. So this one looks nice, it's called Lovina. They're just all little sort of bungalowy type things. Hello. And they're like little bungalows sort of thing. Hey? As long as the aircon works. Test it. That looks alright, it's pretty big. Looks nice enough, good enough. Got a big bathroom, no bar shower in it, but yeah, it looks nice enough. So I think it was about 450,000, about $40, $42 a night, which is pretty good. Little separate bungalows. Looks like there's a big pool down here. Wow, pool area looks nice. There must be different rooms down here, different. Suppose we got the cheap room, most more expensive rooms probably near the pool. Very nice, but look at that, huge pool. Okay, so we're down here at Lovina Beach again for sunset, in the same spot as last time actually, right near the jetty. It's really nice. I'll put some drone footage up. It's not too good a sunset, there's a lot of cloud and that, but it's pretty busy. There's all the beanbags over there. There's a few people around. It's a beautiful day, there's just no wind, it's glassed off the water. Nice, what do you think, darling? That concludes our first day. Went up to Tabanan, right up through to Bedugul, cut through the mountains to Lovina, and yeah, we stayed there the night and we headed off. Stay tuned for the next episode where we head from Lovina all the way right around to Gillimanook and all the way back to Medowie for the night.